Hey everybody! Last night we got a decent amount of snow, as you can all see. And this morning, it's about 5 degrees, and we're gonna cold start the 2005 Toyota Tundra. Actually, let's leave the door open so you can hear the engine. Oh, the gas light's on. Oh well. Anyway, 2005 Toyota Tundra, 5 degrees, cold start. Alright, we have a few squeaky belts and she just struggled a tad bit starting up. But overall, she's sounding pretty good. She is extremely low on gas though. Well, let's turn her off and start her up one more time. Uh-oh. She's struggling. Let's start her up one last time, just to make sure that she turns. Alright, she's absolutely definitely having some... Ooh. Uh-oh, she cut out. Let's try one more time. Oh boy. Whoa. She's not feeling that well today, huh? I don't know why she was shutting down like that. Okay, she just did it again. Let's give her one last shot, then I have to go inside because my hands are really numb because I'm freezing. Alright, as you can see, I gave her a little gas that time. Now, let's really quick take a look at the exterior of this truck. And we have to do it quick, so before the gas tank runs out, and before my hands fall off because they're very numb right now. Alright, quick walk around. She's making a real bad smell. Alright. I think I'm getting frostbite, so let's wrap this up. Turn off the hazards. Turn off the headlights. Shut her down. One last quick startup. Okay, she's fine. Now, let's end this video because I honestly can't feel my hand. Alright. Well, thanks for watching, everybody.